Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the Maytag F26 error code on your 2025 model washer, you're in the right place. This pesky error often points to issues with the pressure switch or water level sensor, which can cause your machine to stop mid-cycle. Don't panic. I'll guide you through fixing it yourself, saving you time and money. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the wall to avoid any electrical hazards before you start tinkering. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Check for any visible blockages. Inspect the drain hose and pump for lint, debris, or clogs that might be triggering the error. Use a flashlight to look inside. It's amazing how a simple buildup can cause big problems. If you find something, clear it out carefully and reconnect everything securely. Next, up is resetting the washer. Sometimes, a quick reset does the trick. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug the machine for a full minute before plugging it back in. Run a test cycle to see if the F26 code disappears. If it persists, we'll need to go a bit deeper. Now, for more advanced troubleshooting. Locate the pressure switch, usually near the top of the washer. Check the hose connected to it for kinks or damage. If it's faulty, you might need to replace it. Don't worry, it's a common part you can find online or at an appliance store. While you're at it, ensure the water inlet valves are functioning properly by turning on the water supply and listening for consistent flow. Once you've completed these steps, plug everything back in and test the washer again. If the error code still shows up, it might be time to call a professional technician to avoid further damage. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter every few months can prevent these issues altogether. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, I've got your back. Stay safe and happy washing.